Lorex has a number of great 2K cameras in its lineup. The LND4751 is a metal chassis dome-style camera that can be installed indoors or outdoors, and both vertically and horizontally. The 4751 is a fully weatherproof camera and features a unique built-in microphone. This camera is IP-based and only needs one cable to supply power, video, and in this case audio as well. Let's see how to install this camera on a back patio brick wall. The first step is to remove the dome cover from the camera using the supplied Torx wrench. Set aside the cover and now remove the mounting plate from the wall bracket. Now thread the camera cables into the center hole of the mounting bracket, making sure to line up the cable with the cable notch on the mount. The camera chassis has 4 long channels, which will line up with the pre-drilled threaded holes on the mounting bracket. Now attach 4 Allen bolts through the channels into the mount to secure the camera. The channels allow a certain amount of adjustability when affixing the camera housing. Once all the Allen bolts are attached and tightened, you simply need to reattach the dome cover. But first you may roughly position the camera ball head in the approximate angle. Here we need the camera to be pointed down to the right. Rotate the camera ball head so that the green sensor is pointed to the ground. This will keep the image right side up when viewed on the NVR. Now reattach the dome cover and tighten the 2 Torx bolts. You may need to remove these again to readjust the camera angle, so best to not tighten these completely. Outside, we have drilled a hole in the brick in the mortar line and threaded the Ethernet cable through the hole. 2 anchors have been inserted in the brick to secure the quick attach plate. Thread the Ethernet cable through the large hole in the plate, making sure the angled metal is pointing up. Line up the plate with the anchors and attach the plate with 2 screws. Now carefully attach the camera Ethernet cable to the extension Ethernet in the wall. Thread and tighten the safety connection. Gently loop the cabling inside the wall mount and then hook the wall mount bracket onto the wall mount. Tighten the bottom Allen bolt to secure the camera mount to the wall. The camera is now fully installed outside. Inside, connect the Ethernet cable from the camera to the NVR. Once the NVR is turned on and booted, you may notice the camera needs adjustment. Outside, remove the 2 Torx bolts holding the dome cover and readjust the camera ball head to get the angle just right. There is a locking bolt that may need to be loosened to adjust the angle of the camera. Once the camera angle is correct, then simply reattach the dome cover by tightening the Torx bolts with the supplied Torx wrench. The LND4751 delivers crisp, clean, high-detail 2K images in both day and night. The wide field of view gives us a great view of the backyard. At night, the camera flips to black and white imaging and uses its 10 built-in infrared LEDs. When external lights are turned on, the camera automatically switches to color mode, supplying vivid, detailed color night vision. The camera also captures full exterior sound. The LND4751 from Lorex is an incredibly high-quality, durable 2K dome camera with great picture quality that will serve all your security needs for many years.